Once there was a young monk who was studying at a remote temple. One day his master said to him, "We are running low on cooking oil. I want you to go to the town and buy some." The boy got excited because this was the first time the master trusted him with such a task. Finally, he thought, everyone will see that I am ready for responsibilities like the senior disciples. The master gave him some coins and he went to the town. The path was familiar to him as he had made the trip many times. He purchased a large bowl full of cooking oil and started on his way back. But his speed of walking was greatly reduced. He needed to slow down and walk carefully in order to avoid spilling the oil. He focused on the bowl and concentrated, willing the oil to stay in. He thought about everyone at the temple waiting for him to bring back the oil. He thought himself sternly that he must not fail. But with his bad luck, the road was uneven. He stepped on a loose pebble and stumbled. Some oil splashed out. Moments later, he stubbed his toe on a rock and lost a little more oil. He tried to bear the pain and avoid any more spillage. He thought it might be better to walk on grass. It seemed to work for a while, but then he slipped on a wet spot, nearly costing him his balance. He recovered, but then he stepped into a pile of cow droppings. He tried to shake it off, rubbing his foot against a tree while keeping his intense focus on the oil. But every time, more of it spilled out. After a long time, he finally made it back to the temple. He presented the bowl to the master with shame because there wasn't much oil left. The master listened to the disciples' report on the many challenges he faced. But surprisingly, in place of scolding him, he gave the disciple more coins and said, "We still need cooking oil, so you must go to the town again. It will be your opportunity to make the amends. This time I have special instructions for you. Hold the ball with care, but don't focus on it. Take the same path back as before and keep your eyes on the road as you usually do. If you want to look to the left or right, do so as you normally would. Do not stare at the ball even if you suspect the oil may be spilling. Relax and let your hands be as steady as they usually are." The disciple did as he was told. He was surprised to find himself back to the temple in less time than before. When he handed the bowl over to the master, he noted that only a small amount had been lost. He got puzzled and asked, "Master, why did I do so much better this time?" Then the master replied, "It's all about using the ordinary mind. When you figure it out for yourself, you will understand how to live in the Tao." We often become so focused on achieving our goals and meeting our responsibilities that we lose sight of the present moment. We become so anxious, stressed, and overwhelmed that our performance suffers as a result. But when we learn to let go of our fears and worries and trust in our inner abilities, we can accomplish great things with ease and grace. By embracing the ordinary mind, we can find peace, clarity, and joy in every aspect of our lives. You may find this story very helpful if you think that you don't have time for the things that is important for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more such stories and life lessons. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy. Peace.